Assalamu alaikum. Hey guys, welcome to our channel Design Bars. Today we are going to learn about fillet and chamfer in 3D. So first we have to make two box here. So I am making one box here, and I can copy the box. So I make the copy of the box, yeah. And I'll also make another copy here. Okay, first we are going to learn about fillet. So I have to press F and press enter and select the is line here. So in which radius I have to fillet? I'll have to give the radius here. So I'm giving the radius 0.4 enter, and I'll again select the edge again and press enter. This is how I can fillet any object, any 90-degree angled object actually. If I need any other edges to be fillet, we can fillet also, like here I can show you. Like I have to make that command again, F enter, and select any edges. Select After selecting the edges, I have to specify the radius. So I'll give the radius 0.5 enter. Now I'll select every edges of the box. For the other corner edges, I will press shift and press the mouse wheel and drag the mouse slowly, and it will come here. Now I'll select this, and again I'm doing that, and select this and this, and I'll press enter. Then the whole box will be filleted. Okay, this is how we can make fillet to any object. Now about chamfer. So in chamfer, we have to make a command of CHA enter. After commanding chamfer, we have to select any edges line. So we have to make the other plane. So other we have to select actually other plane. So I will press next. Okay. If I have to chamfer in these two plane, so I will select OK. Okay. After selecting OK, I have to give the first chamfer distance. So I am making the distance uh, 0.4, and giving the second distance 0.2, and I will press enter. After pressing enter, I will have to select that edges again. So I select that edges and press enter. So this is how we can make any chamfer. So no more today. So if you like our video, you can give us a thumbs up and press the subscribe button. Okay, see you guys. Bye bye.